everyone, it's me Musab, and today we are gonna play Mega Fun Obby. Let's get to it. Okay guys, let's now start. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Oh wow, this is a quite long jump. Oh yeah, we did it. Now this time. This is easy. Oh, I thought it was easy. Apparently not. Ah! Yes, yes, yes! Oh yes, guys, we did it! Wow. Oh wow. It actually took me quite a while, to be fair. Really? This is quite hard. Let's see. I'm gonna do this. And yes. Let's try. And how would anyone die on this? Like, this is easy. Dun dun dun, dun dun dun. Let's go. Wow. Oh, okay. This is actually quite hard. Oh yeah, we got it. Yes. How did I die on that? Oh wow. Shortcuts. Guess. Blue. Oh wow, green. I suck at guessing. Well, how am I so bad? Now this. Only. This. Oh yes. And then this. Oh no. Let's start again. We did it! Now that's time. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I think you had to die on this white thing. So far I'm on stage 1111. What a number. Wow. I think I'm gonna finish when we get to stage 1121. Because that's gonna be good. Let's start. Oh no! Right here? Yay. Oh, what am I doing? Wow, you really, how am I dying? I didn't even touch it. This is so sensitive. Oh my god. Yes. Oh yes. Okay, this one, it's not, oh wow. I said oh so much. This isn't that hard, like, I never made a lot of videos of this. How? This isn't hard, I guess. Maybe it is. Oh yes, it is. Oh my god. I'm going this side. I play a lot of Flood Escape too, so I know how to do obbies quite well. Not as much. Oh wow. Yes, and oh yes, we did it. How am I supposed to do this? Like this? Oh wow. I'm so slow, XD. How? I didn't even touch that. Yeah, well. No. Okay, this stage. Oh my god. Let me try it. Okay, no. Okay, we did it. Now the stage. This doesn't look like hard. Wow. I'm good at those. 2 more stages. I know this video is gonna be short, but it's fine. So my upload won't take forever. Like, wow. It takes forever as well. Oh no. Could have died. This video is gonna be short, but it's right there. Whoa. I think I got glitched. LOL. Oh well. And okay, bye guys. I know this is gonna be short, but see you later.